In this video, I'll show you couching. Here's what it looks like when you're done. And here's the back. You'll start by bringing up a strand of floss that you want to be couched down to your fabric. You won't be bringing this floss back down through your fabric until you're done with your line of stitching. Next, bring up a second strand of floss. I'm using a contrasting color here because I think it's easier to follow, but you can use the same color of floss here if you like. Make a single tiny straight stitch over the floss you first brought through your fabric. This will be your first couching stitch. Repeat your couching until you've finished with your line of stitching. I've sped up the video here to get us to the end more quickly. As with any stitch that follows a curve, I recommend keeping the distance between your stitches shorter when working with tighter curves and trying to keep the distance between stitches relatively uniform. Again, you can use contrasting colors for this stitch like I've done here, or you can use the same color of floss. This is also a great option for working with yarn or metallic floss. Once you're done with your line of stitching, bring your original couched floss down through your fabric. If your line of stitching was a circle like this, you can hide where you've brought your floss back down by placing one last couch over the point at which your floss begins and ends.